welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your art restoration service business. Suppose you run an art restoration business in which you receive a lot of client inquiries and scheduling appointment requests. Handling all of this manually can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send user messages explaining your art restoration process and automate this whole process on WhatsApp for us. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you all to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for art restoration service business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like, "Hello." And as soon as we send this message, our chatbot responds us with, "Hello and welcome to our art restoration studio. I'm here to guide you through our services. Please choose from the options below to get started." So here I'm going to choose the art restoration process. Here's how we restore your precious artwork. First, initial assessment via images. Second, quotation and approval. Third, restoration by our experts. And fourth, final review and safe delivery. Would you like to book a visit or upload an artwork now? I'm going to share artwork. To provide you with a quote, please upload clear images of the artwork you'd like us to restore. Make sure the photo shows any visible damage or areas of concern. So here I'm going to send them an image of my artwork that I need to restore. I'm going to send this. And they respond me with, "Thank you. We have received your image. Our team will review it and get back to you shortly with a quote." Now I'm going to book a visit. Please share your preferred date and time for the visit. One of our team members will confirm your appointment shortly. So here I'm going to add 29th May. Your appointment is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you. And this is how our Chatflow works that we created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to begin the procedure of creating it, first we need to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow. It will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. Since I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. Once you sign in, you will see all apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant, like WhatsApp Chatbot for Art Restoration Service. You can see there is a flow start box on the screen, under which there is an option to enter keywords. This is used to enter some general keywords which will activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term of regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to filter specific text. Regex will safely trigger on every keyword, either it is a short text, full paragraph, messy inputs or clean inputs. It will activate the chatbot with any word. To use regex, you have to use a specific format. This is the format of regex. Now it will safely trigger on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Once you're done with your basic setup, we can start with curating our first message. Access the text button and here you can add whatever message you like. So here I'm going to add a welcome message, which is hello and welcome to our art restoration studio. I'm here to guide you through our services. Please choose from the options below to get started. So here I'm going to add some quick reply options with the help of this add button. Here I'm going to add an option to share their artwork. Then I will give them another option of restoration process. Here we can explain them what our restoration process is. Here I will give them last option to book a visit. And our final message will look like this. Now we are going to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with share artwork. And for that, we need to go to the action type notes and we need to access ask media. Here I'm going to add, to provide you with a code, please upload a clear image of the artwork you'd like us to restore. Make sure the photo shows any visible damage or areas of concern. Here we can see there is an option to select contact custom field. We are going to leave it as it is. And in media type, we are going to select image. And from here, you can give multiple attempts to the user. I'm going to give them 5 attempts. And I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Lastly, link your media type to the respective quick reply option. Now we are going to curate a respond after the user sends us the media. So here I'm going to write, thank you, we have received your image. Our team will review it and get back to you shortly with the code. We have successfully generated automated response for our first query. Now we will move on to the next, that is art restoration process. So here I'm going to access a text button. And here I will write, our message will look like this to the user. Here's how we restore your precious artwork. First, initial assessment via images. Second, quotation and approval. Third, restoration by our experts. And fourth, final review and safe delivery. Would you like to book a visit or upload an artwork now? And here we are going to give 2 quick replies. First one is upload image. And second one is book a site visit. So if the user decides to upload image, we are going to link it to the media box. However, if the user decides to book a site visit, then we are going to access the question box. And here I'm going to add, please share your preferred date and time for the visit. One of our team members will confirm your appointment shortly. Now you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. And to select contact custom field, you need to create one first. And for that, you need to go to the settings option and then click on contact custom fields. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you're done creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and in format I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to link book a site reply with this question box, and also I'm going to link book a visit option with this question box. Finally, we are going to create our last message for confirmation of the appointment. Here I'm going to add, your appointment is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you. And this is how our WhatsApp chatbot for art restoration service is completed. This chatbot will allow users to share their artwork and explain them the restoration process or book a visit all on WhatsApp itself without any calls. You can create your own WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow following the same procedure that I have shown you in this video. Once you're done with your flow, save it and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.